Hello, and welcome to our Vocabulary Enhancement series. Today, we're going to explore a dynamic word that's all about increasing speed. Accelerate. Accelerate means to speed up or increase the speed of something. It's a verb that captures the essence of movement and progress. Let's dive into some examples to see how accelerate can be applied in different contexts. Driving offers a clear example. She pressed the gas pedal to accelerate the car. Here, accelerate describes the action of making the car go faster. In the realm of projects or initiatives, funding plays a crucial role. The project will accelerate once we get more funding. This sentence suggests that with more resources, the project's pace will quicken. Athletes often need to increase their speed during competitions. The runner accelerated as he approached the finish line. In this case, accelerate is used to describe the runner picking up speed to finish strong. And in the field of research, the impact on development can be significant. Research has accelerated the development of new technologies. This shows that research efforts have sped up technological progress. Understanding and using the word accelerate can add a sense of action and urgency to our communication, especially when discussing speed and efficiency. If you found this lesson useful, please subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on any of our lessons. Thank you for watching, and let's accelerate our learning together.